We'll log in, and at first glance, the home page will be greeted by the most popular produce, of course, and their current market trend. We can also check the weather for a particular location. For example, Addis Ababa. I can pick a date. We're going perhaps from January 1st all the way to, let's just say, June 30th. And we can see how the weather has been going so far at Addis Ababa. We can also see crop price trends. These are the most popular crops in Tanzania, and so we can pick a particular date as well and go all the way to perhaps maybe June again. And we can see crop price trends, which have been relatively stable. We can also get a crop recommendation. This can be valuable for banks as well as farmers. So if a farmer is applying for a loan, he can first know how successful his venture will be, but the bank can also use the same tool to assess, is this farmer actually doing the right thing? And so we can see for this plot of land, the best crop to grow would actually be maize, so we can get more details. We have a soil nutrient analysis, description, and of course the analysis of the particular soil and the particular crop recommended. We can also have a yield potential, which is super valuable for banks especially. They can get a hard measurement of just how much money the farmer can expect to bring in by farming maize in this particular price. A combination of yield potential and the price, current market price, will tell the bank exactly that. And we also have a fertilizer recommendation. So, for example, if a bank or the farmer can both use this tool to first know, the farmer should know what type of inputs he is likely to need, and the bank as well can gauge what type of inputs the farmer is likely to need and the relative prices of those inputs. So it'll recommend different fertilizers based off of the soil content in that particular area.